This is Cassidy Minniear with Castonia Tractor, and today I'm going to walk you through how to create a work plan for planting season. So to start, you'll open your Operations Center account and you'll see your Fields and Equipment tab here, but I'm going to have you go up to the Plan tab and then go to Work Planner. It'll open to a page that looks like this. So up at the top, you can select the crop year, season you're going to be doing, whether it's tillage, seeding, application, or harvest. Today I'm going to be walking you through a seeding. So over here in the top right hand corner, it says Plan Seeding. I'm going to click there. So you are able to create a work plan for your corn and your soybeans or whatever crop you're using. But today I'm going to do my cornfield. So I'm going to type in the field name that I will be planting my corn in. I select it and then I hit next. Up here it will open to a page that looks like this. You will hit the drop down and select the crop that you're going to be doing. I'm going to select corn. Here you're able to enter your varieties that you've entered in your products to plan for your work planner. So I'm just going to select the first one. You're able to enter the rate and whatever units you're using. Scroll down, you can enter your product and tank mix if you have one. It's optional. You do not have to enter your varieties or your product mixes, so I'm going to leave that one blank. Scroll down and you have your guidance lines. So if you have more than one field that you're selecting to send to your work planner, it'll pop up with however many guidance lines are associated with those fields. I only have one field and about 6 or 7 guidance lines, but I'm going to click Include All Guidance Tracks. This will allow all those to send over to the screen. Now this part is optional as well, so whether you want to fill it out in here or not, I'm just going to leave it blank, but you're able to enter the machine, your implements, and your operators if you're wanting to include which machines you're going to be using for planting to help you keep track of what machine was in which field. Here you can have a work order, so say if you have a specific number that you need to enter, you can enter out manager 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it'll just pop up as you enter the boundary of the field. The next option is a work instruction. So if you need to write the operator of the machine a note, you're able to do this, and as soon as they enter that boundary of these fields, it'll pop up with this general note. So once you have all this information filled out, you will hit save. It'll bring you to this main page like this, and it'll have your whole list of fields that you've selected for the crop that you are doing. So mine is one cornfield. Over here on the far right hand side, after we've created it, it shows status is not sent. So you aren't done yet. You have to actually send this work plan to your machine. So I'm going to check mark this. And up here in the top right hand corner, it says send to your equipment. I'm going to select that. Up here you can rename your file name to what you want it to pop up on the screen. I'm going to name it 2024 seeding. Here's this little check mark box. You don't want to miss it. If you have AutoPath lines, make sure that that is checked. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to select my tractor I want to send it to and hit send. Here it will pop up back to the screen and it'll show processing. This might take it a minute too to process and send over to the display. So once a file has finished processing, it will show under the sent status as imported 0 of 1. So once you go out to your display in your machine, you'll be able to go in and accept the work file that has been sent over. So this is how you would create a work plan for seeding.